Okay, this is the anterior side of the heart, and this is the posterior side. Notice the aorta curves to the back for the anterior side. Okay.
Okay. And number 1 is ligamentum arteriosum, which connects the aorta and the pulmonary. And if you can see the
Aorta
bridge
and the
between
pulmonary.
it. Okay. Number 2 is the pulmonary trunk, which routes the blood to where gas exchange occurs. Got that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, number 3 is the brachiocephalic artery. Oh, and you pulled it out.
What's this?
Keep going.
Okay, that's whatever this is. Yeah, that's basic brachiocephalic. Number 4 is the aortic arch, which leads into the left common carotid artery and the left subclavian artery. Got that?
Yeah.
Number 5?
Okay, number 5 is superior vena cava.
This is the posterior view.
Okay.
So this is the what?
Superior vena cava is number 5, and that's the one that returns blood from the body regions above the diaphragm. And then number 6 is the inferior vena cava, which returns the blood from the body areas below the diaphragm.
The superior is, like, if you're looking at it on the posterior view, it's right in front of the aorta, so it's right here. And then the inferior vena cava is to the left of that if you're looking at the posterior side, so it's right there.
All right. Number 7 is the right auricle, and number 8 is the left auricle. And these are the
Turn
ones,
it some more.
These are the ones that are on top of. Oh my God, in the video. These are the ones that are on top of the atrium, which expand the it increase atrial volume.
And
so,
then, yeah.
It supplies for more blood flow to get
And this one,
So what's the difference between the two?
this one is the right.
Yeah.
Oh,
7
one's right,
is
one's
the
left.
Yeah,
left.
because if you're, this
In
is
the
the right
heart,
and this is the left.
One's right, one's left. Of
Yes.
course. 9?
9 is inside the heart, which is the ventricular septum, which divides the ventricles.
Yeah, it divides the right and left side, I think.
Yeah.
Of the ventricles.
Okay, and then number 10 is papillary muscle.
It's a card.
And the book says it has a role in valve functions, and it projects
Okay.
into the ventricular
Hang on, I
cavity.
got it.
Gotta untangle.
Oh,
What
which is
was
number
10?
10 is papillary muscles.
Papillary muscles.
It
That's
has a role in valve function.
It connects to the, I was gonna say it connects to the valve.
Yeah, and it projects into the ventricular cavity.
okay.
Okay, and number 11 is the chordinae tendineae. I can't pronounce that.
Well, it's just these
Yeah.
little strings because I don't think there's a
Yeah,
number.
and it's attached to
the little
atrioventricular valves, and they're like white collagen cords that anchor cusps. And then you have the tricuspid valve,
12. Is that 12?
which is 12. Yep,
Yeah.
12 is tricuspid valve.
That's in the right
The
side.
right atrium, and it's the tricuspid valve because it has the three ligaments that are connected with the coordinate tendineae. And then number 13 is the pulmonary semilunar valve,
It's up here.
which is it guards the base of the large where the pulmonary trunk enters into the heart. It kind of guards the actual entrance at the base of it. And then
14.
14 is the bicuspid valve, which is also known as the mitral valve.
And that's on the left side.
Yep, it's on the left
heart.
side, and
2.
yeah, and it has 2 flaps, two tendon connections rather than 3. That's why it's called bicuspid. And then 15 is
It's in the middle, yeah.
the aortic semilunar valve, which
So-
serves the same purpose as pulmonary, which it kind of blocks. It kind of
Except it goes up to the aorta instead.
It goes up to the aorta, but like it guards the entrance into the heart. And then the trabecular carne, which is number 16.
It's all this inside
It's
stuff.
the internal walls of the ventricular chambers, and they're just irregular ridges of muscle.
And 17, is there?
That was
17?
16. And
Yeah.
then 17, the last one, is the pectinate muscles, which is just bundles of muscle tissue. And they say it looks like the teeth of a comb.
Is it in like the ventricles and the
Yeah, it's on like the
Teeth of a
it's on the
comb.
side. It looks like a teeth of a comb.
Okay.
It's like on the side of the
Yeah, it's
heart.
right here, but I don't see
Yeah.
teeth. But it's okay. It's
I
right
don't know if
here.
you can really see it in the heart, but yes, it's what are they called again?
The-
Pectinate muscles.
Pectinate.
Yeah, it's just right on like the inside of it, so it's like on the
Yeah.
lining of it.
Okay.
Yep, that's it.
That's it.
Ta-da!
Bye.